Welcome to Drive AZ. Today, we delve into the epitome of automotive luxury, the 2025 Rolls-Royce Phantom. With a starting price ranging from approximately $515,000 to $595,000, the Phantom continues to set the standard for opulence and craftsmanship in the automotive world. Approaching the Phantom, its commanding presence is immediately evident. The iconic Pantheon grille and the Spirit of Ecstasy ornament grace the front, exuding timeless elegance. The sleek lines and meticulously crafted bodywork reflect Rolls-Royce's unwavering commitment to perfection. Under the hood lies a formidable 6.7-liter V12 engine, delivering effortless power and a whisper-quiet ride. Paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and all-wheel drive, the Phantom glides with unparalleled smoothness, embodying the brand's hallmark magic carpet ride. Stepping inside, the cabin is a sanctuary of luxury. Every detail, from the sumptuous leather seats to the exquisite wood veneers, showcases masterful craftsmanship. The spacious interior offers an oasis of comfort, with features like the starlight headliner adding a celestial touch to the ambience. Technologically, the 2025 Phantom seamlessly integrates advanced features while preserving its classic charm. The infotainment system is intuitive, providing connectivity and entertainment at your fingertips. Rear passengers enjoy personalized entertainment options, ensuring a bespoke experience for all occupants. Driving the Phantom is an experience like no other. Its adaptive suspension system reads the road ahead, adjusting to ensure a smooth journey regardless of terrain. The all-wheel steering enhances maneuverability, making this grand sedan surprisingly agile in various driving conditions. Safety is paramount in the Phantom. Equipped with cutting-edge driver assistance systems, it offers peace of mind without compromising the driving experience. Features such as night vision, adaptive cruise control, and lane departure warning work harmoniously to protect and assist. In summary, the 2025 Rolls-Royce Phantom remains the pinnacle of luxury motoring. Its blend of timeless design, unparalleled craftsmanship, and modern technology ensures its place at the forefront of automotive excellence. For those seeking the ultimate in comfort and prestige, the Phantom stands unrivaled. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the 2025 Rolls-Royce Phantom. Stay tuned to Drive AZ for more insights into the world's most extraordinary vehicles.